the HMS DecraSet Trade Kit Installation Guide. Each DecraSet Trade Kit comes with 1 pack of Part A resin, 1 pack of Part B resin, the required quantity of your chosen aggregate, and a step-by-step application guide available to download from our website. One DecraSet Trade Kit is suitable to cover a work area of 3 to 4 square meters, installing at a depth of 15 to 20 millimeters. You will also need a pair of durable gloves, a tape measure and a spirit level, masking tape, white spirit and a cloth for cleaning your tools, a brush to clean the work area, a wheelbarrow, plastic sheets to protect the mixing area and line your wheelbarrow, trowels for spreading the DecraSet, a flat-headed squeegee, a high-torque drill with mixing attachment, and a forced action mixer. Before you mix or apply any material, make sure you have enough trade kits to complete your entire job. Double-check the square meterage of the work area by measuring its length and width and divide this by the number of kits you have. A shortage in material may result in unnecessary joints in your project later on. The first step is to prepare the work area, making sure it's clean and dry and free of any grit, loose stones or vegetation. We also recommend that you tape the edge of the work area with your masking tape to protect against material transfer. Next, pour Part B into Part A's pack and slowly mix with a high-torque drill and whisk attachment until the mixture forms a uniform, thick beige texture. In cooler weather, we recommend that you add the prescribed dose of catalyst to the resin mixture to stabilize curing times, as low temperatures can prolong curing if left untreated. Now, switch on your forced action mixer and add the decorative aggregate, using all 4 bags equal to 1 resin kit. With the mixer turning, slowly pour in the pre-mixed resin and mix continually until the aggregate is evenly coated. You'll know when it's ready because the aggregate will start to stick together and become shiny and wet in appearance. Once mixed, pour the contents of the mixer into a lined wheelbarrow and tip onto your work area. Using the flat-headed squeegee, spread the mix roughly across your work area. Then, using your trowel, begin smoothing and compressing the material to the required depth. The DecraSet will gradually become smooth in appearance, with tightly compacted aggregate free of any loose chippings on the surface. To help you achieve a high-quality finish and prevent an uneven surface, we recommend that you clean your squeegee and trowels with white spirit throughout the application process, which will remove any excess material. When you've finished installing the DecraSet, make sure your work area is completely protected from moisture, vehicles and foot traffic whilst it cures. DecraSet will usually harden within 6 to 12 hours of application, but can take up to 24 hours to fully cure depending on the weather conditions. In cold weather, it can take up to 48 hours. You'll know when your DecraSet is ready for use when the surface is completely solid and non-sticky to the touch. For more information on laying DecraSet, why not visit the HMS Trade Counter, where we offer friendly advice and any additional materials or tools you might need. Feel free to get in touch with us anytime.